can show you graphically, wherein we can, in a pictorial representation, where I can explain you what I was trying to say when I was saying that the Salesforce sharing rules or security settings are permissive, not restrictive. See, how do we define the OWD for an object? First of all, who is the most restricted user of the object? We have identified that user. Now, is there will be any single instance that the user will not be able to see that object? If yes, we will straight away make this sharing model private. Even if there are 1000 scenarios, out of which 999 scenarios want the user to have access to that object, but even a single scenario want that user should not have access, we will make the sharing rule to private, and then for remaining scenarios we have permission sets, we have sharing rules. Similarly, we go one step forward. Will there be a single instance when that user would not be allowed to edit that record? So if yes, we will make it public read only, even for a single instance. Then for other instance, I told you we have permission set, sharing rules and other settings there. And even if no, then we will simply make it public read write. Okay. So here is what we start with. That is what I was trying to explain, that we start from OWD. So even from single rule, even from single scenario, we will make it private. Then for other scenarios, we will open the access to that record by making use of other features, roles, profiles, permission sets, sharing rules and all.
I'm sure you enjoyed learning from this video. Please like the video, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, please comment us in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Do look out for other related videos in our playlist. For more information, visit our website now. Keep learning with Intellipaat.